We're at Biggs Harley Davidson in San Marcos, and today we're looking at a 2020 Triumph Bonneville Speedmaster. This one is in cobalt blue and jet black. We have the dual disc Brembo braking system with ABS. We have engine guards on the front. Carbon fiber side covers, aftermarket exhaust, which I think sounds really cool. Also has a passenger seat and handholds or rails, which I prefer as a passenger. There's the ABS on the rear as well. You can see the exhaust goes to this side too. There's another carbon fiber cover. And we also have these nice tall handlebars. So the key is on the right hand side. Cutoff switch doubles as our engine start button. Again, we're at Biggs Harley Davidson, located in San Marcos, California, and we're open for test rides 6 days a week.